Hi guys, welcome back to the new video in this channel. Today we'll be learning about how to turn on WhatsApp notifications. First, open the WhatsApp application on your device. Once you reach here, tap on three-dotted line at the upper right corner of the screen. Now on this drop-down menu box, tap on Settings option. You'll be taken to this settings page where you need to tap on the notifications option, and after that you'll have different options here. Since I have toggled off these buttons, in order to turn on WhatsApp notification you'll be required to toggle on every notifications button here so that you can easily turn on the WhatsApp notification. Once you do this, let's come back, and the other way is you need to go to the settings on your device and scroll down and tap on apps. Here tap on app management and search WhatsApp. After that you will reach to the app info page of WhatsApp where you can see manage notification. Tap on it and make sure you allow the notification on the settings page also. If it is toggled off in this way, you need to just tap on allow notification and turn on the every notification you received on WhatsApp. So this way you can easily turn on WhatsApp notification. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then hit the like button, subscribe and comment. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.